Hello everyone, this is Dudonay Brew from KOFFI Noir with another unboxing for you guys. I'm super excited today because a new order just came in. Actually, I don't know, I'm trying to figure out which one this is actually. This might be a sample or something that we're testing out. When I think that came today, or this actually might be a client's order. So we're gonna pop this open and see what came in the mail today. Let's to the side. All right. So yeah, I think this is a sample that came, and we're over here trying some stuff out because we also know that not everybody is able to or may want to get something custom, even though we recommend it. But nonetheless, we want to see if we can put some things on the website, make them available so everybody can, share in the fun. All right. And I'm super excited. Oh yeah. So I don't know if you guys remember a couple months ago, a client made a wedge loafer similar to this one. It was a black one with the same red lining and all those things like that. And I got the idea that, you know what, I should make a pair as well. And this is what we have here, right? We have the Wayne Wedge, which can be found on the website, but we actually went with the full grain leather instead of a regular calf leather or whatnot, because we really were interested in the details and everything that this shoe has to offer. You have the really nice thick wedge Vibram sole, which is like really awesome. Yeah, and I can't wait to see how these look on foot, man. But I could tell you this much: this shoe looks real beautiful. Of course, you have the Nubia shoe trees in here as well. Man, wow, they came out really beautiful. Man, I'm just super excited. Look at the details. Wow, you see the stitching? And oh, by the way, fun fact, these are also Goodyear welted. Even though you can't see the threading here, up here, yeah, it has a legit 360-degree welt all the way around, right? So let's say the wedge starts to wear out and you really like this shoe. All you have to do is take it to your local cobbler or shoemaker and say, hey, I would like to put a leather sole with a leather heel stack on this or whatnot, and replace this Vibram sole, and literally you will have a traditional Tassel Loafer. And again, I recommend Goodyear welted because it allows you to resole your shoes constantly and helps you keep your favorite pair of shoes for a long period of time or whatnot, even long enough to where you can pass down from generation to generation. All right, so far these look good. All right, now we're going to pull out the other pair. Set this to the side. Oh man, these are so beautiful. I'm like super excited to really try these out. This shoe came out really good. And I'm just at awe at the craftsmanship, everything that went into this shoe. Man, yes, as you guys can see here, this is full grain. Also, there's another sample boot that's almost complete that we also going to have come in as well. And I can't wait for those to get here because we actually went with a pebble grain, which is a little bit different from this type of grain. But as you guys can see, the options are limitlessness, and you're able to, really, use your imagination in this whole creative process to design a pair of shoes for yourself. Wow, look at that. This is a beautiful shoe, I must say. Let me see if I can pull these out. Oh, they came out smooth. There you go. The Nubia shoe tree. Wow. These are beautiful. Look at that. I recommend clients ordering shoe trees for their shoes. I mean, it's super important to maintaining the longevity of your shoes, right? The shape of the shoe, everything like that. Just, basic shoe care. I highly recommend it. Came out real good. I'm super satisfied and excited about how these came out. Boom. There you go. That is the Wayne Wedge Tassel Loafer in black, full grain leather. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I can't wait to see how the other shoes turned out. There's 2 other samples that were made. This full grain was the first one to come. We have a camouflage patina version. I believe that should be on the way. Can't wait for those to get here and see how those turned out. And then also too, we have that pebble green jumper boot, the Richmond boot. When that gets here, I can't wait to just hold it in hand, and then hopefully from there we'll be able to make both shoes available on the website. If you're interested in supporting KOFFI NOIR, we highly suggest you going to the website at KOFFINOIR.com. That's KOFFINOIR.com. If you're interested in placing a custom order with us, or getting a styling curation consultation, don't hesitate to email us at info@koffinoir.com, and we're sure to get back to you within a day or so. Again, that's it for today's unboxing. I'm Dieudonné from KOFFI NOIR, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Peace.